Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to do a double split ventilation. If this sounds like what you want to learn, then stay tuned and keep watching. So double split knotting is one of the knotting that we have in ventilation. We have single knotting, we have double knotting, we have double split knotting. And double split knotting, in fact people really do it. I don't know why. The reason is best known to them, but when you find double split knotting easy to do, then you find it enjoyable. But I think one of the reasons that people don't do it is because double split knotting is one of the hardest type of ventilation that we have. So I'm going to show you how to do it perfectly, how you can enjoy doing double split ventilation.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight.
I'm doing a diagonal method of ventilation in this double split ventilation, which is one of the methods that we do in ventilation. And like I said, what you have to do is to get your ventilating pin, put it in a hole, then pull out. Position your hand in such a way that the hair you are using will be wide open, so you can pull out hair. Pull out the first one and pull out the second one. I'm going to show you this slowly so you understand what I mean. When you get your ventilating needle, put it in a single hole, then position your hand in such a way that the hair you want to pick is wide open. Then pull out first the left one or the right one and pull out the second one and tight. I'm going to be doing this slowly so you'll be able to grab what I'm saying and understand better. Once you have put your ventilating pin in a hole, open up, pull out one tight and pull out the second one and tight. I'm going to repeat this again. Put your ventilating pin in a hole, spread your hand and pull out hair, pull out one and pull out the second one. Now there's a trick to this which I'm going to be showing you. What you need to do is to get your pin, put your ventilating pin in a hole as usual, put it in a hole and pick 2 strands of hair. Once you pick 2 strands of hair, pull out one and pull out the second one. Position your hand, when you are pulling out the second one, position your hand in such a way that you are rolling your hand and at the same time rolling the pin. I'm going to show you what I mean. Once you put the pin, pull out the first one. Then when you are pulling out the second one, roll your hand and pull out the second strand. Because if you do not do it, I'm telling you, if you want to pull out the second one, you are not going to get it. You are not going to pull it out. You will not find it easy pulling out the second one. So put the pin, pull out, then pick the first one tight, pick the second one, roll the pin and pull out and tight. So this is how to do double split ventilation. And what I'm doing is one line, one hole ventilation in this method. One thing I like about this double split ventilation is that once you do it well and do it properly, it's going to look full. And not only that, it's going to look full, it will be very tight, like it's not going to easily pull out. And that's one thing I think I like about this double split ventilation, although it's not my preferred choice whenever I'm ventilating, because the disadvantage of it is that you're not going to be that too fast, unlike single knotting. But once you do this properly, it's going to be very tight. I don't know what you think about this double split ventilation. Tell me what you think about it. Also, if this is your preferred choice of ventilation, if you don't mind, leave a comment and tell me why is your preferred choice of ventilation. I hope this video was helpful for you if you want to know how to do double split ventilation. So if this video was helpful for you, give me a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel to be part of this family and for more amazing content. Now this is how it looks from the inside. Thank you for staying to this moment, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to be part of this family. See you in my next video. Bye.